Hello, my name is Liaquat Ali. In this brief presentation, I would like to explain CMD or command prompt. It is one of the good features of a computer. It's briefly about CMD. CMD is different from GUI. In GUI, you can make some changes. You can, for example, create files, folders, some other changes you can make, but in command prompt, it's a program that you can just shortly and easily access to your contents of your computer. So you cannot make some changes. It is only to mostly access the contents of your computer. So let's go and explore command prompt. The first thing we are going to do is go to the bottom of the computer on the left side. There is a space for search. It is next to the right side of start menu. Type CMD or command prompt and enter. So you are now on command prompt. So now it shows that I am inside a folder which is its name is A+. So if I want to, for example, go and change, if I go to some other folders, I type dir, which is more like a path, like a direction. It's like an address. Dir is more like an address. I type dir and then press enter. It takes me to many folders. For example, you see 3D objects, contacts, desktops, documents, so on and forth. So if you want to go and change your direction, you want to change the address, what you are going to do is, let's go and type CD, which is for changing address. Changing address, and then give a space, and then you, for example, would like to go to music. Let's go and type music. Enter it. Now you are in a folder called music. Similarly, if you want to, for example, go and exit, if you want to just close the program and get out, you can simply type EXIT, exit, and then enter. That's all. There are many more interesting commands, so these are just some examples. I hope it was somehow acceptable. Thank you.